Hello all, I'm Brian. I hope you are well. Is the AI bubble getting close? In just over 2 years, companies have poured billions into AI startups. Valuations have skyrocketed. Do you know as of July 2025, there are over 70,000 AI tools globally? And every CEO is pushing to deploy artificial intelligence, even if they don't quite know what to do with it. The AI fever is global, the excitement unstoppable, and investors are chasing the dream of limitless growth. As you can see from the video, cracks are forming. The Bank of England recently warned that the AI market might be dangerously inflated. Goldman Sachs says it's not a bubble yet, but we're close. And a recent MIT study found that 95% of generative AI projects fail to deliver real value. In short, we've seen this saga before: the dot-com crash in the late 90s, the crypto craze, and now, perhaps, the age of artificial illusion. AI isn't magic, but tech firms are burning through billions to train massive models that may never turn a profit. IT and energy costs are rising, profits aren't, and the hype can't cover the bills forever. Just look at the stock market. Nvidia, Palantir, AMD, Microsoft, etc., all hitting record highs. The Nasdaq is soaring again, powered by AI optimism. Even governments are piling in. The United States, Europe, and Asia are investing billions to build AI data centers and chip factories. Everyone is betting on AI as the backbone of the new economy. But what happens if the bubble bursts? The fallout won't just hit tech, it could ripple through energy and entire national economies that tied their growth to AI's success. The higher the climb, the harder the fall. If the AI bubble does pop, we could see massive layoffs, cancelled projects, investors losing millions or even billions, and panic among investors in a struggling economy. When the easy money dries up, only the ideas that truly solve problems will survive. And that's where the real story begins. The true power of AI isn't in speculation or stock prices, it's in quiet revolutions. AI that helps doctors diagnose faster. AI that empowers teachers, makes energy cleaner and life simpler. The future of artificial intelligence isn't in the bubble, it's in the balance between human creativity and digital intelligence. In summary, the AI boom might be a bubble, but it's also a spark. The question isn't when it bursts, but what you'll build after it does. Because when the noise fades, innovation remains. Bubble or not, let's embrace AI, but be prepared for the worst and do invest with care, and be ready to shape what comes next. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And do subscribe to my channel if you find this is useful.